The subcompact that refused to stay small. More power, more tech, and a rugged new soul. This is the all-new second-generation 2027 Kia Seltos X-Line. Transformation starts at first sight. The 2027 Seltos X-Line moves the needle with a baby Telluride silhouette, boxier, wider, and sitting on a wheelbase stretched by nearly 2.5 inches. The X-Line trim takes that aggression further with exclusive piano black bumpers, dark gunmetal accents, and available flush door handles that disappear into the bodywork. Framed by signature amber star map LED daytime running lights and standing tall with a class-leading 8.1 inches of ground clearance, it doesn't just look ready for the trail, it's built for it. Luxury. Step inside a cockpit that redefines the segment. The X-Line features a massive, nearly 30-inch panoramic display, merging dual 12.3-inch screens with a dedicated 5-inch climate control panel. This is the new CCNC SuperBrain, featuring over-the-air updates and a ChatGPT integrated AI assistant. The interior is a masterclass in space, offering best-in-class rear legroom and a cargo bay that expands to 64 cubic feet. For the ultimate in comfort, the X-Line Prestige package introduces the relaxation seat, complete with a power-deployable ottoman, bringing premium lounge luxury to the subcompact world. While others compromise, the X-Line delivers. Exclusive to this trim is the high-output 1.6-liter turbocharged engine, churning out 190 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque. Forget the rubber band feel of a CVT. The X-Line pairs its Turbo 4 with a crisp 8-speed automatic transmission. Combined with standard multi-mode all-wheel drive and 19-inch black finish alloy wheels, the Seltos X-Line provides a planted, responsive drive, whether you're carving through a canyon or navigating a sudden downpour. The new benchmark. Safety is hard-coded into its DNA. From Highway Driving Assist 2 to the new surround view monitor and side parking distance warning, the Seltos watches every angle. And for those looking ahead, the X-Line HEV debuts later this year with Kia's first ever eAWD hybrid system. But for those who want the peak of gas-powered performance today, the 1.6 Turbo X-Line stands alone. The all-new 2027 Kia Seltos X-Line. Big SUV capability, unapologetic style. The segment will never be the same.